Hello, hello. Happy Travel Tuesday. Sorry, somebody texted me right when I pressed record. I told y'all I sent out the little film thing saying I'm filming, and I always get a text or a call. But anywho's, I am going to finish up the regular butterfly train today. I just finished looking at Erica Makes Plans. So I think that's everybody. The only person I didn't see was Elaine Realize. Or was it Forming New Habits? Or was it both? I have to go back and see. But anywho's, um, let me read the names off again. This will be my last time reading the names off because this is officially over. But I'm going to continue because I told you guys I'm saving this for vacation. My sister is turning 45, my daughter is turning 35, and my mom is turning 75. So this is the year of the fives. So I'm going to try to save as much as I can to, you know, do some extra special stuff for them. My mother do not like flying, so it's really hard trying to do stuff for her. But she loved Niagara Falls. So we took her when she turned 70 to Niagara Falls, and she loved it. But anywho's enough about that. Hey, let's ride this train. The butterfly train. Alrighty. We have, this is all the butterfly riders. We have the budgeting butterfly. She's the conductor. Car 1 is Blessed by Abigail. Car 2 is Tina and Life. Car 3 is Postal Planner. Car 4 is Coupe de Ville. Car 5 is EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. Hold on, let me make sure my microphone is on because y'all know I have a problem with mics. EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. Number 6, Craft and Budget with On. Number 7, Lovely Budgets HK. Number 8, Leo World 733. Car number 9, Seeing on a Budget. Car 10, Grammy's Journey. Car 11, Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. That's me. Car 12, Nine's Budget. Car 13, Traveling Chief 95. Car 14, Frugality is Life. Car 15, Boop and Budgets. Car 16, Mumsy Queen. Car 17, Elaine Realize. Car 18, Cash and Color Budgets. Car 19, Money Boss in the Making. Car 20, Mindy's Budgeting. Car 21, Dreamy Budgets. 22, Forming New Habits. 23, Overthinking and Budgeting. Car 24, CBA Mom Save. Car 25, Lanybug Budgets. Car 26, Budget to Blessing. And the caboose of the Butterfly Riders, Car 27, Erica Makes Plans. Yay! Make sure you guys go and comment on each one of these lovely and talented ladies. You want to make sure you comment on their butterfly train video because there is some prizes that's coming out very soon. Alrighty. Now I am not doing the card number today, but like I said, I'm gonna finish this up. I am doing the 8 and the 9 on 26 and 27, which I already did. And this page ended up being $78. The second page was $303. That included the butterflies and the engine. And the first page was $167. And I ended up spending $173 out of my money toward the fur baby. So my money is now in the bank. I don't care who's limping, coughing, winking. This is my vacation money. My sister said she'd give me my 173, 78. I think it was 178 back. But anywho's, our total that we saved so far is 500. Ain't that cute? 500, 20, 40, 5, 47. It's supposed to have been 48, but I didn't have any prop singles. Alrighty, so I actually have 370 something in the bank until she give me my money back. But that's wonderful, y'all. Like I said, I got 3 vacations to try to surprise people with. But this is just the beginning, as long as I keep doing my little side hustle, because without my side hustle, I would not be standing here doing anybody's butterfly. But anywho's, that is it for today for Butterfly Train. Like I said, I'm going to continue. Like I have to finish the 26 and 27, the car numbers, and then I'm going to go all the way down to 35. Alrighty. Oh, let's do the daily specials. I mean, daily specials. I must be hungry. Let's count our money first. Let me move this. Put that back in my envelope. I mean, my binder. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. What are you doing? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 116 is what we're working with. Have you guys seen Beijing Girl Budget? Her randomizer color cards with the dice. I can't buy anything on Etsy, so I was trying to come up with my own, and I got every color dice except for pink. So that's why that's sitting here. But anywho's, let's do this. Today is the 7th, Tuesday, and pretty good today. Not gonna complain. I didn't Vaselined up my hands because they look like I've been playing a flower. So let me color this in. $3. And this is from Dreamy Budgets. And let's put in $3. And yesterday, hold on, y'all. I gotta give them a treat. Hold on. Yeah, talking about stalkers. I did my Thrive for 25. I had a whole list of stuff for financial. Oh, they're starting to bark. I had a whole list of things for financial. So next week, I'm just switching this out to show you guys what I did. Alrighty, I put the 3 in there, so we're gonna move on. And this is from Dreamy Budgets. Ignore them, they'll go away. Alrighty, today is the 7th. I'm gonna color it in. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, y'all. It's those triplets. I told you guys I got a set of triplet puppies and triplet cats, and they're both bad. He's not gonna be quiet. Okay, $1. I'm gonna do those 2 probably next week. And this is from, hold on, is it Just Roll It in Glitter? I think that's what it is. Just Roll It in Glitter. Hold on, there it is. It's save $1 for each one, and I'm filling in whatever alphabet number they're at. That's what I'm filling in. Like the A is first, so that'll be $1. The Y is 25th, so that would be $25. Yeah, I come up with some good ideas with my broke butt. Alrighty, next up is pink. And this is from budgeting just because. And today is an odd number. So odd numbers get $1, even number get $2, the weekend get $5, and if you forget to do it, it's $3 and you color it red. Alrighty, budgeting just because. Here we go. Hey. Alrighty. Now I have a new one. Let me let them out. Hold, please. Okay, sorry about that. Alrighty, this is from CBA Mom Saves. And this is Shut the Box Cross with Hopscotch. Alrighty, you play with 9 pennies, and I have these little discs. You're going to roll 2 dice and put it on the number that you roll. Just like, shut the box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Alrighty. And whatever's left, that's what you save. Alrighty. So we're going to use two. You know what? I'm going to roll a 12-sided dice because you cannot get a 1 when you roll 2 of those. Alrighty. 8. I'm going to put that 8. 12. That's 10 and 2. That's 12. 12 again. You trying to set me up. Oh, man. Okay. 9 and 3. Woo. Okay. I got 4 more chips. 8, 7, and 1. 9. Woo. Hey. 6. I like this. Cool. Now we got to ask Joe if I'm playing it correctly. Alrighty. I'm going to play again, of course. Y'all know I love Shut the Box. And I ain't played hopscotch since I had real good ankles. Alrighty, good peeps. Let's try this again. 10. I know you say, Trina, why is hopscotch on your travel Tuesday? You hopping and you scotching, so that's hopscotch, so that's traveling. There we go. Because if you trip, you're gonna fall. So hey, that's a trip. Alrighty. 11. 7 and 4. I should have did 9 and 2. 9. Well, good thing I didn't. That's 3. 2. I got 3 discs left. 4. I'm out. Too good to be true. Alrighty. 11, 18, 20. 11, 19, 20. Right? Yep. Yep. 11 plus 8 is 19 plus 1 is 20. Alrighty. Alrighty. And that would be it for me. Now y'all see why I didn't put a whole lot of money into the butterfly train, because I knew I was going to play this. And y'all know me and Shut the Box. I like this. And this from CBA Mom Saves. Go check out her YouTube channel and she will tell you where to get this. She do have a Ko-Fi. I'm sorry, a Ko-Fi coffee and an SD shop. Alrighty. Paper clip this here. Okay. And this is from Teach, Save, and Travel. I'm going to roll 2 6-sided dice. Alrighty, we got a 5 and a 2. $7. 5 and a 2. Oh, I should have got some more singles. One more time. 5 and 2 again. Alrighty. Okay. It's 10, 11. That's 14, Trina. Okay. And I'm about to roll. I'm gonna, it says New York savings. I'm not going to New York, but I thought this was pretty cool. Each apple is, I'm gonna roll a die. Y'all know me, 3. I love rolling. Alrighty, $3. 17, right? No, 18. Alrighty. 14 and 3 is 17, Trina. Alright, one more time. Alrighty. It was freezing outside today, but I was counting my blessings because some of y'all had freezing rain, and we didn't have any rain. We just had the coldness. Alrighty. I'm rolling a 6-sided die to tell me how much I'm putting in the pump. I have $43 in there now. 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, correct? Yeah. Alright. Another $4. Alrighty. Somebody has a lot of singles. I'm sorry, y'all. I know. I should have did this before I came on. I just knew. Is it? Oh, I'm glad I went in here because I still need to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's see. Let me do the pizza. Hold off on that one. I'm gonna do the pizza and the Melanie. Because y'all know this one is very expensive. Alrighty. Ooh, $5 again. Yay. I'm not scratching another one. And let's do the pizza. Alrighty, 6 and 4. Finally got the 6 on board. And that's, oh man, it's supposed to be red. And that's Supreme Pizza, and that's Melanie's favorite pizza, minus the olives. And again, I'm using this saving challenge to take Melanie out for pizza. We're Chicago girls, and we have a restaurant there called Nancy's Pizza, and they have one in Columbus, Georgia. They also have one in $10. They also have one in look at that, Atlanta, but I'm not driving up there. Even though that's closer, but that traffic is crazy. Alrighty, 4 and 2. We got a 2 and a 4. Alrighty. $6. Alrighty, so 16 today. Good. When I buy back these, I don't know. I might not buy these back. Alrighty, pizza. Alrighty. Okay, I guess we can. I told you guys I wanted to really start putting some into this one. Okay, a 10-sided die. Did I tell you who the pizza was from? I did not. Or the gas. I know, I'm bad. I'm sorry, y'all. Alrighty. This is from the budgeting student. And I didn't put the $4 attached to it. See? Okay. And this is from the craft bin. Alrighty. And this is from cash and color budgets. Alrighty, we're gonna roll a, that's a 10. Yeah, let's roll a 10-sided die. That's an 8. Both of those are 8s. Didn't I just have it? I did not. Okay, my bad. Oh, here, duh, Trina. Alrighty. Roll a 10-sided dice because the highest number on here is a 10. Alrighty, we got 7, 10, 20, 35. We got about 40 bucks. Alrighty, 7. It'll really help when I sit down and color all these in. Alrighty, that's already colored. 7. Alrighty, I got a, it was 7. All the way down there. Okay. And a 9. Alright, take a 10, take one of these singles back. 9, here go a 9, y'all. Is there one closer? Nope. Alrighty, I didn't want to use, oh, I guess I'll try this one. Alrighty, that's 9. Okay, what else did I have? What else did I have? You know what? I'm going to do hopscotch one more time. Okay, one more time for cash and color. 9. Okay. Take this other single and put in a 10. That's 25 right there that I just put into this one. All right, here go another 9. That's the closest one. Here go an 8. All right, here go an 8 and a 1. Here go an 8. And here go a 1. All righty. Okay, and I promise I'm going to color this in. Alrighty. All right, back to hopscotch. Oh, this goes into cash and color envelope. I think this one's going to be a nice little amount too in cash and color budgets. Alrighty. Move that there. Move that out the way. Alrighty. Oh, I'm sorry. Alrighty. 12-sided die, right? Here it is. Too many dice on my, and then they're all blue. Alrighty, 5. 3. Knocking out all my little numbers. Can y'all see? I'm sorry. I act like I'm the only one standing here. 2. Oh, wow. I'm in trouble, y'all. 2 again. Out. OMG. 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 That's what I get. There's no way. I might as well just go ahead and borrow some money now. Alrighty. We got 10, 25, 35, $47. $47. Wow. That's what I get. It's your fault, Joe. As CBA mom say. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I need 30 bucks. Man, hold on. This is dipping into my Saturday money. OMG. I told y'all, shut the box just is not my friend. 47, right? 10. What I have? 5, 2, and 3, right? Yep. 10, 25, 35, 40. Oh, it's just 40, right? 10, 25, 35, 40. Okay, it's just 40. It's not 47. Like that really makes a difference. 20, 35, 40. And then that went from last time. Alrighty, let me put this back. OMG, y'all. I think I have a dashboard with this. I think I do. 20. 20, 40, 50, 65, 66. $66, y'all. And only played 3 times. That's crazy. Alrighty, that's what I get. That's what I get. Alrighty, I have $1, which I'm gonna go ahead and put on over here. That would be it for Travel Tuesday. Shut the box. Alright, good peeps. You guys have a good one. Stay groovy. Stay groovy. And I catch you guys Wednesday for Debt Free Wednesday. Peace.